Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Rafat. We are going to discuss a very important integration, that is sin ln x dx over x times 3 minus cos ln x power half. So the function with derivative here given. So first we have to separate that one. So 1 over this is 3 minus cos ln x and sin ln x over x of dx. So this is the function and this is its derivative. We have to separate here. This is x. Now we have to suppose that this is 3 minus cos ln x function, and we have to find out its derivative, differentiate with respect to x. So this is dt over dx, that is equals to the derivative of 3 is 0 minus the derivative of cos minus sine with the same angle, and then we have to find out the derivative of ln x. So the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Derivative of 3 is 0 minus same, the derivative of cos is minus sine with the same angle, and then we have to find out the derivative of ln x. So the derivative of ln x, it is equals to 1 over x. So this is here minus minus plus, that means this is the function and its derivative here. In this situation we have to suppose that the function. So this is the method of integration here. So this is minus minus plus ln x over x into dx. Now we have to substitute these values in the question here. So this is 1 over 3 minus cos x, it is equals to t, and the whole power is 1 over 2, so we have to put 1 upon 2. And this whole function, it's a derivative here, it is equals to dt. It is equals to dt. So just we have to shift, this is t power, it becomes minus 1 upon t. Plus 1 upon t in the denominator, we have to shift in the numerator. Now we have to find out its integration here with respect to t. So we have to add 1 with the power and divide by the resultant. Minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, that will be half divided by half. This is the simple procedure to find out the integration there. So this is 2 t power 1 upon 2 plus c. And 1 upon 2 means the radical here. So this is t plus c. So here 2 and the value of t was, we have to suppose 3 minus cos x cos ln x plus c. So this is the answer of this question. It was a very important and most repeated question. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Rafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.